What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com, coming to you live on 9/4/2023. I'm doing our 2023 Kickoff Football Mixer Choose Team 3-box break number 1. Guys, break number 2 is right there with 11 to go. All card ship and 10 hits in these 3 boxes. 4 autos in each of the score it should be, and 2 in the legacy. All right, who's got who? The Cardinals is T, James D with the Falcons, Peter C with the Ravens, Greg Z has the Bills, and Angelo M with the Panthers. Jeff B has the Bears. We got Joe W with the Bengals and Angelo M with the Browns. T has the Cowboys, William D with the Broncos, Dan B with the Lions, Greg Z with the Packers. Mark S has the Texans, Angelo M with the Colts and the Jags. Joe W has the Chiefs. We got T with the Raiders, Mark S with the Chargers. Angelo M has the Rams. We got Dean E with the Dolphins and Mark S with the Vikings. David S has the Patriots. Greg Z has the Saints. Peter C with the Giants. Tom K with his Jets. David S has the Eagles. We got Mark C with the Steelers. John G with the 49ers. Greg Z with the Seahawks and Bucks. T with the Titans and Greg Z with the Commanders. Guys, stuff will be shipping out of PA. It's been like 2 weeks since the last shipment, so anything I had here is heading out the door. If you were to pick up a personal tonight, I could get that out the door too. These will take a little bit. All cards will ship, guys. Hits are going to be relics, autos, cards 50, or sorry, any numbered cards anymore. We used to do 50 and below, but numbered cards all have value now, so we encase them up. All right, let's see what we're going to get. I'm going to start with the score, end with the legacy. See what we can get out of here. Alright. I'm looking for... I have my sleeves. Let me get my sleeves here. Those are those, and we need these. Perfect. Alright, I got some sleeves here in case we pull some big stuff. Guys, these were just random boxes I picked up to sell at a show. They didn't sell. It came out as breaks. So, hopefully, there's some good boxes. All right, here we go. That looks good. Let's do this. Here we go. Cards in every direction, right? Alright, did we hit our first auto already? It's a card turned around here. No, but it's a gold to 50. Tion Evans for the Rams. So Rams on the board. That's Angelo. Tion Evans, we're already starting gold here. 38 out of 50. Just leave that one up. Make make a little space here for it. There's a Will Levis rookie. Joey Porter Jr., Noah Sewell. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Joey Porter Jr. rookie. That's a nice one. They're not numbered, but they're inserts in the box. Pull that one to the side. You get an auto? Yes, we did. Russell Gage. First auto. Russell Gage, Tampa Bay. Greg Z. Russell Gage auto. Not numbered. It's our first auto. There's a Bryce Young. Stetson Bennett. Why? Another rookie, Darnell Washington, Pittsburgh. Tanner McKee. Oh, we got a redemption. I'm going to leave that right here. And let's see. Boom. Jordan Addison, rookie signatures. And I am not up to date. Trying to get it a little bit better here. Rookie signatures, Jordan Addison, Vikings. Vikings. Who's got Minnesota? Mark S. There you go, Mark. Minnesota, Jordan Addison. Redemption there. All right. Let's go through the cards now. See what else we can find. Got Chase Young here. Chase Young. Insert. Parallel, I should say. We'll definitely at least put them in a penny sleeve. Comes another card turned around. It's Baltimore. Ray Lewis. How about another gold? 5 of 50, Ray Lewis. Very nice. Peter C. and the Ravens. Give me a second. I'll come right back to that. Bijan Robinson showing up. Rookies. All right, here we go. A little Ray Lewis, the gold there. So 2 golds in that half of the box. All right, let me slide these away. Let's look at the second half. We should still have 2 autos over here. All right, Mike Williams for the Chargers. Card is flipped coming. It is an auto. Jaden Reed, Packers. Greg Z and the Packers. Jaden Reed. Auto, Packers. There's Jordan Battle. CJ Stroud. Isaiah Pacheco. Not annoying at all. Alan Lazard, Jets. Alan Lazard, Jets. And is this our last one? Yes, it is. Travius Hodges Tomlinson for the Rams. Angelo getting that one. Now, do we get a bonus? Let's see. So, base autos. 2 golds. Not bad. Got something turned around here. Cortland Sutton, it's a blue to 100. Showcase. Showcase to 100. Cortland Sutton, Denver. William D. getting that one. Hot rookies. Ooh. Anthony Richardson. Just brings back flashbacks of that product. Yowza. Alright, last little bunch here. Something else turned around. Here we go. Cole Kmet. Another showcase blue to 100. Bears on the board. Jeff B. Again, you will get all your base cards too, and if you don't get a numbered card or auto, then you're going to get a hobby pack of cards too, so. Alright. So box 1 of Score is done. Move on to box 2 of it. Alright. Let's do box 2 of Score this break. Same setup, guys, for break number 2. 2 Score, 1 Legacy. Alright. What else can we get going here? Finest down to 6 with 20% off. That light is down to 10 with 20% off. one half of that box. All right, here we go. Did we get a Will Levis auto here? I think we did. Yeah, we did. To 35? No, it's just an insert. A Hot Rookies insert. Artist proof to 35 of Will Levis. 6 out of 35. T getting that one. There you go, T. 6 out of 35. Now, does he beat out Willis eventually? Either way. Nice card and team color match and everything. So Will Levis blue. It is 6 out of 35. Head it your way. I was hoping for some ink there. Alright. Darnell Mooney. Trevor Lawrence showing up. Still no autos. Tyler Algier. Here's the base Hot Rookies. And then here comes Tank Dell. Tank Dell is the auto for the Texans. Houston. Mark S. getting that one. Houston. Tank Dell. Auto. Let's leave that one up. They'll all get hard encased tonight. It's like find them, turn them around. Turn too many around. What we got here? Quentin Johnston to 100. Quentin Johnston to 100. Showcase, parallel, Chargers. Mark S. with that one. And we've got a Keaton Mitchell for the Ravens. Keaton Mitchell auto, Ravens. Peter C. A little cherry to the sundae of your Ray Lewis. Amon-Ra St. Brown. Jordan Addison again. Saw him with an auto earlier. Alright. Let me put these off to the side. Alright, should still have 2 autos over here. I see something. I see something. I've never seen one of these. Wow. So like a sports flicks. A.J. Brown Showtime for the Eagles. We got a case hit out of one of the boxes. Eagles. And these are just random. This is David S. These are just random boxes, so there could be another one in the next one. 1988 Sports Flicks. I have a Chris Bosio, I believe, somewhere. And there it is. A.J. Brown Showtime. Congrats there, David S. Alright, I got a blue here of Christian Kirk to 100 for Jacksonville. That's Angelo getting that one. How about a Justin Fields green to 6? End zone green, 6 of 6, Justin Fields. Wow, what a bunch of boxes here. Guys, right behind me still. Jeff B. Jeff B, 6 of 6. Unreal. We didn't even hit our 2 autos over here yet, right? I didn't find an auto. Maybe I just did. Yes, we did. KJ Osborne, Minnesota. Minnesota. Mark S. Mark S. Keep it coming. Keep it coming, guys. 11 left. It's cheap to jump in. And remember, you will get a hobby pack if you don't get anything in addition to your base. There's Peter Skoronsky. Stephon Diggs, Will Anderson, a Bryce Young, Kyler Murray. How about a Bailey Zappi? Nice. Western Kentucky. A little vet love here. Crowd favorite Bailey Zappi for New England. And the Patriots, it's David S. also. All right, couple more here. Bradley Chubb, nice Chubb. Family friendly, right? Okay. That takes care of that. Put these away, and we'll finish off with Legacy here. What else can we do tonight? All right, here we go. Legacy. 2 autos should be in this box. Also rip cards and things like that, but we're not gonna dare to tear. If it's a dare to tear card, it's going to whoever the team is on the card. They can rip it if they want to. All right, last pack here. Let's see what we get. All right, we got an orange to 249 DeMarcus Ware. We got a redemption. So one of our autos is a redemption. So 249 DeMarcus Ware, Dallas. That is T. I already see. So I'm going to put the redemption down right there. We'll save that for last. All right. Quentin Johnson and Booty. Rashid Rice, prospects. I got a Vinatieri showing up. Oh, I see yellow coming. There's an Anthony Richardson. Sam Howell. There's a yellow of Hutchinson. Nice for Detroit. Aiden Hutchinson for Detroit to 150. Detroit is Dan B. Dan B. Aiden Hutchinson. Got a Daniel Jones under the lights. Dante Culpepper, Ray Lewis. Here's a mini of Buda Baker. Buda Baker mini. Put that on the side here. Travis Etienne. What rookie we got here? Here's a Bijan Chrome. That's a nice one. Put that in Bijan Chrome. Will Anderson showing up. All right. Let me put these here. We'll go back through these now. See, light blue. D-Hop to 25 for the Arizona. D-Hop to 25, blue. Cardinals, T getting that one. All right, Generations. All right, Mac Jones. All right. Trenton Simpson is our auto here. Trenton Simpson, who is currently Ravens. Yeah. Baltimore Ravens. And that's Peter C. getting that one. All right. Let's see what else we got here. I didn't finish going through these, right? Here's Josh Downs. Under the lights to 149 for the Colts. So Colts getting Josh Downs under the lights. Colts is Angelo. Blast from the past, Joe Montana. Theismann, Urlacher. Chris Godwin. Pride of Penn State, 299 Buccaneers. Greg Z getting that one. There's a Will Levis rookie. How about a mini orange coming out? 125 mini orange. Vita Vea. Tampa Bay again, Greg. Mini orange. Put the mini chrome in here too. All right, let's see what else we got. Rest of the way here. Battles, A Flowers. How about a Nolan Smith chrome? Going to the Eagles. Nolan Smith chrome. All right, a couple more Legends. Jamar Gibbs. All right, Jameer Gibbs, I should say. That there like that. These in here like this. All right, here it comes. The Redemption. Futures Dual Patch Auto Silver. Detroit, Jameer Gibbs. Roll Tide. Dual Patch Auto, Jameer Gibbs. Detroit. Detroit getting that one. And Detroit ends up being Dan B. Dan B getting that. Congrats, Dan. Very nice hit. Get it shipped out in the next shipping batch, guys. Still another one. Now down to 10.